Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen property location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are giving out their extreme their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A certain figures is not displayed on the screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1. You can see on the screen fields like room size, bed type, room amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen and yes, we provide the present ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to enter the room prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problems in booking or booking this property, then you can tell us and we will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.